What's up, AVID guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Um, this is like day 4 or something like that of e-learning. I know some of y'all feels like day 925, but hey, we're all gonna do great. We're all gonna get through this together, and we will all be better for it. So just put that smile on your face, turn that frown upside down, and let me tell you something that'll make you really smile. I'm going to give you a break from TRFs for this week. Can you believe it? A break from TRFs. That's right. You get a break from them. Yes. Yes. Thank you. Thank you for the applause. I hear you. Thank you. Thank you. Anyway, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a unit on argumentative essays. And one of the first things that we're going to do is in this lesson is there is a Google Doc with a writing prompt on it. And I'm going to read you the writing prompt. And as soon as I read you the writing prompt, this is for a quick write. I want you to take 3 minutes and I want you to do it real quick. All right. And here is the prompt for your quick write. When a student falls asleep in class, whose fault is it and why? What I want you to do is take 3 minutes, pause the video, take 3 minutes, and write your thoughts on when a student falls asleep in class, whose fault is it and why. I'll see you back here in 3 minutes. Don't cheat. Pause the video. Go write. All right. So I hope that you did pause the video and write because you do have to turn this in. This is part of your assignment. Now, here's what I want you to do. I want you to think about this. Is anybody else to blame besides the student? Does anybody else have some responsibility for the fact that that student fell asleep? Think about different people that that student has come in contact with, different teachers, other people, things that may have affected their sleep. I want you to go back and I want you to edit your Google Doc. I want you to go back in. I want you to press the return key twice, give yourself a couple spaces, and then add to your Google Doc. Go do it now. Now. Go do it now. Now. What are you waiting for? Go do it now. Pause the video. Go do it now. I hope you did it because again, you got to turn it in or else you get me saying these goofy things and pausing in the video. All right. So now that we've finished with that part of the Google Doc, I'm going to give you a definition of an argumentative essay. Okay? A definition of an argumentative essay because this is what we're going to be working on. Argumentative essay or argumentative writing is where you will write and you will express your opinions, beliefs, or arguments that allow you to take a stand while providing compelling support. Now, I know you probably say compelling support. What does that mean? That means strong evidence, strong arguments for the ideas presented that you guys wrote in order to persuade or influence the opinions or actions of others. The whole point of argumentative writing is to persuade someone to your way of thinking. Okay, so we're going to switch to analyzing a prompt. Okay, now there's another document attached to this assignment, and is a writing prompt. And on the writing prompt, there's a sheet called Analyzing a Prompt. I'm going to switch real quick to presenting my screen so you can see. All right, and this is what it looks like. This says analyzing a prompt. And you've got a writing prompt right here. It says, in the 2 articles, and we are going to do these 2 articles on day 138, which is the next time you log in and have to do your AVID assignment. So if you have to do one for Monday, you'll do one on Wednesday. You'll do the second part of the assignment on Wednesday. If you have to do one on Tuesday, you'll do the second part of the assignment on Thursday. Okay, so if you are in my 7th period class, you are doing this on Monday and Friday. If you are in my 8th period class, you are doing this on Tuesday and Thursday. All right? Okay, here we go. Now I take that back. If you are in my 8th period class, you're doing it on Monday and Wednesday. If you're in my 7th period class, you're doing it Tuesday and Thursday. I forgot the 7th period went twice this week. All right, so anyway, getting back to this, let's look at this analyzing the prompt right here. Here it is. In the 2 articles, teenagers should be sleeping before class, not during it, which you'll get in a couple of days. And later, school starts would have many consequences. The editorials explore the pros and cons of high school and middle school students starting school earlier or later. As you read, circle key terms and underline details that the editors use to present both sides of the topic. Determine your position on whether or not there should be a national law passed requiring all middle and high school students to start no earlier than 8:30 a.m. Okay, guys, remember, if it says no earlier, 8:30 is the absolute earliest it could start. That means in theory, it could start later. Okay, so no earlier than 8:30. Provide evidence from the articles to support your opinion to your classmates and explain in detail your personal position on the topic. So again, this part is day 1. What are you going to do? This is what you're going to do. You're going to come down here to the thing that says directions. You're going to read the directions, and you are going to follow these directions. Okay? I'm going to scroll down the whole thing for you, and this is your day 1 assignment. Okay? This is your day 1 assignment. All right? If you have any questions, shoot me an email. I hope you guys are doing well. Stay healthy. Drink lots of water. Wash your hands like crazy. Don't touch your face. Don't do all of the other crazy stuff that they're telling everybody. Keep your distance from people. Okay? All right. If y'all have any questions, email me.